This is my semiotic representations of my thoughts. And as you remember these things, they are not very bright compared to the original thought. So we're going to look at that. And this then becomes transformed into another representation. The listener transforms the representation of thoughts according to his or her operational history. And then you get that. As you can see, this probably does not correspond to my original thought as you had seen. But the important thing is that this is where the action is. This is where we can interfere, or we can do things, and I don't know what I'm going to say at the moment. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't really matter. This is where it all kind of happens. And on top of that, this is determined by the person's operational history, right? So the operational history tells us how the action is going to occur, and then we can act on it in order to make some changes. And the way to make some of these changes is to remember that all that is meaning and perception is the same thing. Our operational histories help us to exist, but, and this is important, also limit what our meanings are and what our perceived and relevant items are. So, unfortunately, as we become more effective and more efficient at speaking and at dealing with life, our brains become a little bit more limited. We get what's called neurological pruning, and the neurological pruning means we get good at doing what we know how to do and not very good at learning new things. So the problem then is, how do we change this? How do we change all this? Initially,